We get asked a lot what it's like to build wind turbines. The day-to-day process includes carrying around a 70-pound wrench and torquing over 1,000 bolts for each of these towers. We definitely get our workout in for the day.
This is our ERAD 3000. The biggest hazard with this tool, yep, right there. It's the reaction arm on it. We'll end up having to pick the tool up. They'll grab it going to the next bolt. They'll go to set it down, inadvertent trigger pull.
We initially looked at buying all new tools, but then as we started digging into it, we found a path to work with ERAD to do a retrofit to the tools that we have and be able to accommodate the need that we were looking for.
The impressive thing is, our team didn't just look at safety. We saw it as an opportunity to improve the user's experience. We talked to people across Blattner and came up with an idea of the dual trigger design.
You have manufacturers that might say that can't be done. Well, no, we work together, we'll find a way to do it, and let's make it better and safer for everyone.
We made 3D printed prototypes for field testing and consulted the people who use the tools every day. The problem was we need to build a trigger that we can afford to build and put on and it's gonna last. You know, we beat the heck out of these tools, so it's gotta be really rugged. Once the idea was there, it really just came down to execution. Designing, wiring, and testing. Again and again and again, until we finally had it.
Using the tool now that it's been retrofitted, it's awesome. Instead of just grabbing by the reaction arm, you end up grabbing by the secondary trigger, and if you do end up grabbing it by the reaction arm, one trigger pull isn't gonna activate it anymore. You need to have both hands inside of here, so it eliminates that pinch point.
Through an engineering design, it really eliminates the hazard. We're not in the line of fire anymore.
We've started using these across our projects, and the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive.
The crews all love the tools.
We haven't had any injuries since we put the dual trigger in place on these tools, and we haven't had a pinch point since then.
When industry sees what we've done here, the other manufacturers are going to jump on and say, you know what? That's the right thing to do. That's what we need to do.
This journey wasn't just about a tool's transformation. It was about the Quanta ethos, solving complex problems and keeping our people at the center of what we do.